In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a zoom-in text bounce effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere, and from here, let's create our text first. So I'm going to go for text, for example, and then I'm going to add later on. And now from here is that you want to edit your text. So you can change the font size and everything. So in my case, I just want it like this, small, and then I would want it to be centered. If you don't have the essential graphics in here to edit your text, it's here in Windows, and make sure that you check essential graphics, and it should appear on your workspace. Now, from here, once you are now satisfied with the style and design of your text, right-click on your text here in the timeline and go into speed/duration, go into duration and type in 15, click on OK. So that would be 15 frames. Next is that you'd need to add keyframes, so select your text layer, and then from here, you want to go into effect controls, and then make sure to put your playhead at the beginning, and click here on the keyframe for scale, and set it into 1200 or 1200. Once you're done, is that you want to go 5 frames forward, so hold on your shift, and then press the right arrow key. So that's 5 frames, and now you would want to set this into 95. And next is that you want to move another 5 frames. And this time, I'm going to keyframe it with 100 so that there will be that bounce effect. So now when we play it, it will now look like this. So now we just need to add more text in here. So you could now just duplicate this by holding down the Alt key and then dragging it to duplicate. And from here, you can now just change the text. Let's say a tutorial. And then I'll make it center just like so. And then I'm going to go add more. And this time I'm going to add 4. And then another one for Premiere. Right there. So I think that is good. So I'm just going to make it centered. And then the last one would be the Pro. And now when we play it, we will now have this result. So yeah, that's it. So you can make this longer if you would want it to have a longer duration being shown if this is too fast for you. So that's it on how you could do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.